Yeah, hello everyone. I'm the mentor Ismail, and today I'd like to take you on a very smooth journey to financial freedom. All I just want you to do is to be patient with me till the end of this presentation. So, like I said, I'm the mentor Ismail, and my main purpose is turning struggling leaders. That's what I focus on. My area of focus is turning struggling leaders or traders into AI powered profit makers. So, leverage cutting edge technology, flip your losses into wins, and then you need to join my team. You need to join my mission to build 100 self-sufficient traders who dominate the markets. That's actually what I'm looking at. So if you're that kind of person, you're welcome. Now, before we go further, let's dig a little bit, about me. Yeah. All right. For over 2 decades, I've been in the game of empowerment. So as I then, it was really into the health and wealth empowerment, wellness, team building. I've been a coach for a very while. I've built businesses with team of people, both local and international. I've been a public speaker, and through all of these experiences, it helps me to master. Actually helped me to master the art of leadership and mentorship. Actually, that was where I got the name from. The mentor is my own. And financial empowerment, exactly, because at the end of the day, my main goal is actually towards how to be financially free. So 4 years ago, I transitioned into Forex. Yeah, the Forex space, thanks to COVID, actually. So, and coming into the Forex space, I brought my passion into it, yeah, which is, of course, coaching people, and then making them to be themselves, in the world of trading. Yeah. So since then, I've really mentored, countless traders. I've really helped people moving from dependency to mastership, by actually helping them to believe in the power of leveraging, especially in the area of AI, the technology, which helps you to achieve your goals faster and helps you make more money, be profitable in the marketplace, and also on. Yeah. So, what is my mission? My main mission actually is to create a new wave of self sufficient traders. Traders who are profitable, not just traders who are profitable, who no longer rely on signals, but also develop the skill to win consistently. So, trading isn't about just money making. It's actually about the freedom that comes with it. There are three major things that makes me love trading that actually make me move into that space. And the first one is financial independence, which is financial freedom, as you can see. Now, the second one, sorry, the second one is actually the time freedom that comes with it, supposedly. Now, a lot of traders spend so much time on the screen from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Some even spend hours and hours and hours. They live actually virtually in the screen. Some don't even take a bath and all that. They just want to make money, and then that kind of life is not what I'm designed for. The essence of making money is to have freedom, isn't it? And the last thing is location freedom. As a trader, you have the power and the ability to move to anywhere you want to move to, so long there's internet and your device, smart device, you're good to go. That's exactly who I am, and that's good. So, talking about helping people to leverage, helping people to go into the world of technology and AI to make their trading journey easy and turn their losses into profit, that was exactly what brought me to this space, partnering with this powerful company. Now, this powerful company is named Jifu. That's the name of the company. Jifu is actually a company that is backed by powerful people. I'm talking of big business builders. These guys have crossed the market for a very long time from different industries, starting from Brad Boyle, actually, who's the founder of this company. He has been into the engineering space, tech sales, and all those stuff before coming into Jifu, creating Jifu basically for people who love to travel the world, get discounts and all the stuff, lifestyle, anyways. And this has been successful for a very long time. Luckily, that got the attention of Kai Copeland, who happens to be the current CEO. Kai Copeland is actually a very big multi-time business owner also. He has been in different industries. He has stopped different. You can just go Google these guys. You see that they are powerful people. Now, the best part of Kai Copeland is Kai Copeland just joined the company, was a member of a company, and as at that time he joined that company, he took the company from $1 million company to $1 billion company. You can imagine that. And last but not the least, on the right side is Matt Gurf. That Matt Gurf, is a very popular guy, especially in the United States. As a matter of fact, this guy owns the eighth largest automobile company in the United States. Talk about the luxury cars, not just any other car. You go Google him, you see him. Now imagine these three gurus coming together to form a company, and that means something you can rely on. That's why you have the word there, the right leadership, corporate team. Now, this guy came together to put something in the forex space that is disruptive, something that has really made a lot of people so successful, something that I actually it took me a lot of time to even believe what I was saying. Actually, I went nuts when I discovered this opportunity. And what is that? Let's look at that. They created the right product, talking about product that helps, bringing, the digital world with physical, bringing everything together. So meaning you can trade, you make money from trading, they guide you to make sure you're profitable. And when you make that money, you have enough time to travel the world with the product they have. Discounts, hotels, discount on travels. I mean, you have huge discounts. As a matter of fact, you are competing with Expedias and the rest of them. So you make money from forex trading and you put it and you travel the world. That's exactly the freedom. That's exactly why I'm attracted to this platform. Yeah. So now let's talk about the main thing now. Remember, the goal here is how to help you as a forex trader to be profitable. Now, in doing that, there are things that are being produced in Jifu. Jifu is just a company that talks about mainly education and tools to help your life become easier. Now, of course, apart from forex, there are other things that you can see on the screen. Jifu wealth, and when you talk about the high touch meets high tech, what does this mean? You attain wealth with the what? Learn to earn platform. Number one, there is Forex University, there is Crypto University, there is Social Media University, there's Credit University, there's Success University, talking about the right leadership, there's Finance University, there's Real Estate, E-commerce, and AI University, depending on which area of study or which area is yours, actually what you want to focus on, right? But right now, as we speak here, we're going to be talking about the Forex department, the crypto department also, but mainly Forex actually. Now, what do we do in Jifu? What exactly is it about? It's actually about education, simplified education. All those things that have been so terrifying. Let me tell you, there are two categories of people that probably want to go into the forex space. No, not two categories. Let me put it right. Okay, there are two categories of people actually. The people when it comes to forex, right? We have the first set of people, those who are inexperienced, the newbies who want to really cash in, who want to enter the $7.1 trillion market. That's a huge market on a daily basis. That's what the market brings out. So these guys want to have their share, but the problem is they don't have the skills, they don't have the knowledge, and more so, they don't have even the time because they have other things they do to really learn the skills. And some, even when they try to invest the time, the emotion, the psychological issue, all the ups and downs and forex, as we all know, blowing of account, trying to catch up, makes a lot of people get discouraged. And even when you learn, it takes you time to really be profitable. I mean, these are the things, these are the problems, challenges that people are facing. So the first set of people, they step aside, just looking at it from the other side and envy those who make money from it and wish they were the one making money. That's the first set of people that I'm addressing in this presentation. The second set of people are the experienced traders. Now, these guys are experienced. Like I am an experienced trader. Really, I can trade without all this help and all that. But the question is, how long? Why should I even spend more time? Why should I even stress myself if there's a technology that can make my job easier? Just like dropping a manual car for a automatic car or dropping a normal car you drive yourself to a self-driving car like Tesla, chat GPT for you cracking your brain and making research. This is exactly what is going on. This is the chat GPT of Forex space. So you get my point. So this is exactly what we use to help people to become better. Now, for those who are newbies who cannot go into that space, who don't have the time or the luxury of what it really takes, they can also make money from the Forex space as though they are professionals with the help of these things that I'll be introducing to you, with the help of the knowledge you will get, with the help of the tools, with the help of the AI technology, and so on and so forth. You'll be making money from the Forex space even when you are not really a pro. And the pros, it makes your job easier. With your knowledge, with your skills, you make more money, lesser time. Now you can do other things in life. Let's talk about the people behind the education system. These are top-notch traders who have gotten big records. They've been successful over the years. This guy teaches you, they show you whatever it is you want to know. If you want to learn anything, they are there to help you, to hold you by the hand. You ask questions, and best of it all, when they trade their own money, when they do their own trading, they bring you on live sessions where you learn and earn also as they earn. That's the best part of it. Talking about live session, what do I mean? I'll give you an instance. For example, just between today is Wednesday, I'm doing inspiration on Wednesday, which is the 4th of March 2025. Now let's look at what happened. All right, guys, look at it. This is what I tell you. Jay was on, and on this session, we made a lot of money. We made a lot of money. I mean, well, to you it may not be a lot, but every session, every afternoon, how would you feel you're in your house and you make like at least minimum of 100, sometimes 98, $80 and all that from just a session? This is Jay Bonham using the kill shot. Now look at what I'm talking about. Let's see. Watch it. Look at it. I made $94.60 on this session. This can be you every day. And this was yesterday, 3rd of March, actually. You can imagine, like it could be like that every day. Now, this amount may be small to you, but
All right,
in Forex,
guys,
there's
look
no
at
amount
it.
that is small.
This
You
is
must
what I
probably
tell
have
you.
a successful strategy
Jay was
because this
on,
is
and
depending
on
on
this
the capital
session,
and the
we
risk you're
made a
putting in
lot of
once you're getting
money.
out of it.
We made a
Right.
lot of money. I
This is
mean,
how it
well,
happens on the
to
live
you, it may not
session.
be a
This is
lot,
one of the
but every session, every
educators
afternoon,
taking us on
how
live
would you
session. You
feel
can
you in
make
your
money like this
house and you
every
make
day. I
like
tell you, the win rate
at
is
least
like
minimum of
98%. I
100,
can
sometimes
guarantee you of that.
98,
Yeah.
$80?
Now, talking about tools. Now, that's the first way of making money as a newbie or as a pro when you come into this space, right? Another thing is you have tools to help you make money at your own time, even when you don't join the live session. And this is so easy just to follow instruction. You don't even need to know how to chat or anything. You don't even know to know. Like me, with all my experience, I try to dump my experience and just use the tools the way it is. That's it. Now, talking about tools, talking about algorithm, let me show you something. Example, for example, this is one of our scanners, which is we call golden era. Golden era is actually a tool that helps you scout the market mainly for gold trading and then some other things, some other pairs that you can use it for. Like look at it. It gives you an entry, it gives you the SL, which is invalidation, it gives you all the TP by itself. The moment there's a setup, it gives you, and then you just come there. What do? You copy whatever you see there, you put it on your MT5 as you can see on the right side of my screen, and then you make money. Exactly this trade. I took this trade. Look at this trade. You see what happened here. Look at the entry for you to know this is not a joke. Look at our entries here. This trade was given by the AI scanner and it was a buy. And guess what? It hit TP1, TP2, and guess what we have here? 1020 USD without even cracking my brain, without even using any of my skill. Assuming I'm a newbie who knew nothing, all I knew is just to copy, follow instructions, see what you see here, you copy it to your MT5 and you make money. This happened actually. I'm showing you a live scenario. I have to put this here so you can see that this is exactly what it means when we say you have tools that helps you make money. As if that is not enough, we have something else actually. Okay, before I go on, let me show you something more. How the scanners work, because you may be thinking, oh, okay, maybe that's just one of it. We have several of it. You have access to several scanners. See, the first one you saw there is called Golden Era. As you can see here, this is how it works. Now, if there's a setup, it will show you. If there's none, you just don't see anything. You wait till you get a setup. But right now, I think a setup is building already. Good. This is a very good example. It's building already. As soon as the setup is done, the scanner, the AI will give you the entries by itself, give you all the validation and everything, and then you just take and make money. Simple as that. We have another one, Trendy Wave. I love this one as well. So simple. Guys, it's so simple. If you're a newbie, all you need to do to make money on this one is this. Follow the instruction. Look at it. Whenever you see short, what do? You sell. Whenever you see long, you buy. As easy as that. And as you can see, it gives you all the parameters. All you need to do is come here. You don't need to know anything. Just come here, know how to copy this and put on your MT5, and you make money. Like this one is already at the entry area. Now it's expected to go up here to TP1, TP2, TP3, and it will. Most of the times, it always does. But you know why? If you look at all these ones, they always follow the direction of the call. Short, it came down. Look at how many TPs this will have hit before coming down. And that's the way it works. Let's go to the next one. We have the smart monies. I love this one for smart money traders. Actually, that's exactly my strategy. But then the question is, I'm not even doing anything anymore. This will do everything for me. It helps me find all the areas that I need, the areas of value. I don't need to check anything. I only wait for it to tell me it's ready for a setup, and I'll take it and I'll make my money. It gives me the signal, I'll make my money. Right now, there's no signal on this one. That's why it's building up. That's why you don't see the parameters. But luckily, let's see if we can get one. Oh Lord, this is good. Now, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, see, it has given a setup for this particular one, and anybody in this trade right now would have made some money because guess what? The good thing about this is the entry already. It's called for a sell. This is the stop loss, and little or no drawdown is already going into profit. When it hits TP1, you already have double of whatever it is you are risking. When it hits TP2, you already have 4 times of whatever you are risking. When it hits TP3, you already have 6 times of whatever it is you are risking. That's like having $100 on a trade and coming out with $600 on a particular trade without having to do any analysis. Just use the scanner. I mean, this is already in profit. You can imagine some people are already happy right now as it's just 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. in the morning. People are already making money even before they wake up. That's a good thing. We have so many other ones, but I'll just point just few ones for the time's sake. Like kill shot. This is one of the best scanner also that you can talk about, especially when you're trading on US 30. The money I showed you in the other one, the live session is actually done with the US 30, not by myself. I followed the guy who created this scanner, And then the guy on the live session showed us he calls the trade every New York session, every afternoon. You make money. Imagine having it in your mind that you'll be making money every day without you having to do the thinking. That is what they call leveraging, which means just relying on other people's effort, other people's time, other people's skills. That helps you to increase your results without actually necessarily increasing your own effort. Look at Q shot. How does it work? So simple. Q shot also has its own signal. So whenever you see this red star, it means you're about to sell. So whenever you see the red star, what do? You sell, you make money. You see it coming down. When you see the green star, you buy. Man, look at this buy. So long. Imagine how much money you would have made on this particular trade, AUDJPY. You can use it for any pairs, but best pair for this is US 30. We have this and many more, but for time's sake, I have to go on with the presentation. So going back to my presentation, the next one here is called the tap to trade. What is tap to trade? Now, some of us are actually busy. You get trade alert, you don't know what to do with it. With the app called Tap to Trade, it's actually from an app you download from the Play Store or App Store called Jifu Connect. It helps you to get trade alert from educators whenever they send those signals on your app. And what do? You only tap, and then it goes straight to your broker, to your MT5, and it starts trading for you, takes the profit for you, and you make so much money from that. Now you'll be wondering, is this really reliable? It is. How does it happen? You connect your broker to this. Mostly, I mean, when you come to my team, use Extends. Actually, I'm gonna do video. Of course, I'll take care of you on that one. So when you come in, you connect your broker to this app. When you connect your broker to this app, the next thing is when trade are being called, you tap on the word copy, as you can see there, copy, and then the copy trade moves trade everything. Of course, you must have set your lot size, your percentage amount that you want the system to be taking from your money, and then it goes straight to what? To your broker and takes the trade on your behalf, and you make so much money. I know the next thing in your mind will be like, oh, does it really make money for people? Yeah, let's look at the statistics. Actually, if you look at this very clearly, if you look at this statistic, you see that as at the last time it was, look at the win rate, it was about 88% here. 88%, right? Now, even the recent one, the more recent one, this is the more recent one. Look at it. So this is about 106 trade ideas, right? Total trade that was called. 64 was a win, 41 total losses. Now, someone with good mathematical brain would be like, oh man, 41 losses is too much. No, it's not. Now, I'll tell you why. If you look at this trade idea, you see that most of the trade ideas always come like giving you three times. That's if you win the trade, it gives you three times of whatever you risk. But if you lose, you only lose one time, which means if you're putting in 1% of your capital into every trade, when you lose, you only lose that 1%. But when you win 3% now. So let's say it's even 2%. Now, if you have 64 wins, that means you multiply 64 times 2. Whatever you get, which is about, that's about 128 if I'm right, that means you're winning 128%. But then your losses will only be 41%. So you see, when you deduct that, the aggregate, you know that you are ahead, you're winning forward. That's what exactly it means. Remember, my promise, my goal is to help traders to be self-sufficient by the power of AI, be profitable and be happy. Be it whether you're pro or you are a newbie. And that's exactly what we are doing. Now, talking about that, so the next thing is you want to think about, okay, how do you benefit from these beautiful things? How do you benefit from this beautiful product? How do you become a better person by enjoying all of these things? Of course, you have to come in, you pay a subscription fee to be part of the Jifu. Now, we have two types of pack, of course. We have two types. We have the elite pack and we have the entry pack. Now, the entry pack gives you, of course, which is 149 when you sign up, and then you pay $99 every month. Now, it gives you access to forex trading, crypto, binary limit, of course, binary, you know, live sessions with educators, only one scanner, okay, then limited copy trading, of course, and then and this is only available in Africa, Asia, Caribbean, and Latin America. Yeah. Also, you have access to the university. You learn from the crypto university, the forex university, or even the binary options university. But the elite pack actually give you the access to everything. I mean, from the elite pack is 299 to sign up and 165 monthly. Now it gives access to both crypto, forex, binary, and travel. Yes, you get discount. You see, the amount you're paying here actually you also use it as a discount towards any vacation you're going to be having. You need to have that soon, anyways. Now, travel. Also, you have access to all G-Full live sessions. You make money from all the sessions. Not just that, you have access to all the scanners. Trendy wave, that's the trend wave, the golden era, the smart monies, and so on and so forth. The Q shot, yeah, you have access to all of this. Plus, you have access to all copy traders. As a matter of fact, The elite pack actually make you elite because you'll be making money here and there, and that's a very good thing. And it's available globally. Yeah. Then also you have access to not just the crypto university, the forex university, or the binary university. You also have access to Jifu travel. You can travel the world with what you'll be given. You'll be given vouchers that gives you huge discounts on every travel and tours that you have. Now, guys, the good thing is right now as I speak with you till 11th of March, there's a discount that is going on. Actually, the discount is simple. That so when you join, whether if you're coming in with the entry pack, instead of paying the 149 as the beginning, then subsequently paying 99, you can just start paying 99. You don't have to pay 149 if you join between now and the 11. The same thing goes for the elite pack, which is the best pack actually, if I may advise. Now this time around, instead of paying 299 as the joining fee before for subsequently now paying the $165 monthly, you pay $165 and you come in as a full member and you have access to all of this. Now, some of you may be wondering, I know, I'm just going into your mind like, okay, yeah, the $165, the this, the that, oh, that's some money. But the truth is, let's look at it. Today, we have what we call poverty plan, we have what we call successful plan. Now, the poverty plan, if you check, a lot of people, if you want to start a normal business, an average business anywhere in the world, not even talk about no let us talk about other countries or like in Nigeria alone. Because if you talk about other countries, you have to pay for a lot of licenses, no matter how small your business is. Not to talk of the space, not to talk of the product you want to deal in. This costs a lot of money, way more than this. But the question is, when you go into these businesses, they help you really to sustain. But then, do they give you the financial freedom? Do they give you the time freedom? Do they allow you to have location freedom? No. That's the answer is no. You know that. Yet a lot of people prepare, they save money for this, right? But then here, one thing I can guarantee you is this: when you pay this kind of money and you have your own money to trade your for your trading capital, the truth is you can make this money in 2 days. So, meaning when you're a member of this academy, when you join this platform, you may never have to use your money to pay for subscription again. Yet you make a lot of money every day. I've just shown you some of the proofs. Look at the first on the third, which is Monday, I made $138. On the Tuesday, $94. When you put that together already, I mean, it's there about over what we have here, isn't it? So you can imagine the rest of the days we have in a week. Plus the fact that you get skills, you learn, you make money, you learn, you make money, and you have access to a lot of good things of life, you know, without having to be the one doing all the stress and planning. That is exactly why it is good for you to be a part of this. Now, this is not a plea, this is just an advice. It also is in line with the goal that I have in life. I've always had this goal before, if I've always had this goal with me, I've always had this vision before even seeing Jifu, but Jifu happens to help my goal easy because now I don't have to think of what to do to help people achieve the main thing that I want them to achieve. I can help you with this platform and we'll grow together. We'll grow together, and your win is my win. That's exactly how it works. And until you succeed, I will not rest. I am the mentor Ismail. Guys, it's time to help your 2025 to be so different and become the beginning of the biggest thing to happen in your life for the rest of your life. The mentor Ismail signing out. Thank you.